Welcome to Lifehack. You can say, for example, ask Lifehack for faster learning skills. What topic do you want? Learning. When you need to make a presentation, just hold it in front of your parents to be more secured about yourself. You can say, ask Lifehack for learning, then you will prompt here Lifehack about easy learning, or you could say stop, how can I help you? You can say, ask Lifehack for learning, then you will prompt here Lifehack about easy learning, or you could say stop, how can I help you? Garden. You want to have a nice looking garden over the year. They use plants which don't bloom all at the same time. Also take plants that are colorful and not having only one color. Learning. When you want to be more concentrated at learning, you should chew a bubble gum. Traveling. You have not enough space at traveling, then make your belt to a roll and put it on the free space of your shirt collar. Technology. Your keyboard positioner broke, then use binder clips and you can write as before. Health. You want to have brighter nails, then put toothpaste on your nails and let it dry. After an hour the nails will be brighter. Money. When you want to save money, then pay cash and not with your credit card. You will get more sensitive with the amount of money you spent.